So we'll be calming down using the breath, and we'll start with just an even pace breath. So wherever you are, find yourself comfortable, and we will begin. So we're going to start with a slow inhale. So I'm going to cue you. I'm not going to exactly do it. So let's do an inhale for a count of 5. So inhale, just very, very slow, deep into the belly. And then now exhale, feel the belly come out. Inhale, and then exhale, so the belly is pressing. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale. So we'll go like this for a solid minute, and exhale. And really feel inhale. Feel the belly expand on the inhale, and exhale, contract. Inhale. And exhale. Now we'll expand it to 6 seconds. So inhale for a count of 5. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, feel the belly. And exhale. I lost count. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to go a little bit long. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, soft. Inhale. Exhale, slow. Inhale. Feel the body. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, just feel the body expand. Exhale, soften, relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Full exhales. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. So how do you feel? Hopefully you feel a little bit lighter, maybe a little bit more relaxed. So check in tomorrow so we can do another 5 minutes. All right? Take care.